team, and how did you see them still find ways to win tonight?
Yun nga, ganun na lang parate, parang finding ways na lang to win. No? Not really happy with the way we played, especially in the first half. We really had problems with rebounding. They're a lot bigger team than we are. Plus, yun nga, nawala pa si Keith. Kailan still not available. And then, yun nga, we were trying to manage both minutes, no? Hindi namin siya masyadong pinupuwersa. So, kulang talaga kami sa bigs, manpower namin. But we're struggling, but we're still here, no? We're finding ways to win. We played better defense in the last quarter. Okay? Then, yung timely shots ni Anton, Mamu played a great game. Adrian played a great game. We had some problems containing Jason Perkins for a stretch. He was just having his way in the middle because nga kulang kami sa malaki. No? Yung laki ng katawan ni Gabe, yun na lang pinanglalaban namin dun sa katawan ni Perkins. But paid off. Again, it's the character, it's the toughness. We're getting used to finding ways to win, but I would rather win yung medyo maluag-luag, hindi masyadong nahihirapan. Again, the score does not reflect the closeness of the game. If you look at the score, I think it's a double-digit lead, but it's a lot closer than that.
Thank you, Coach. At this point, we are opening the floor to the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, kasi yung injury ni Kita to nangyari while he's been playing well. So, another setback for him. Hopefully not, pero medyo concerning injury niya.
Hindi ko pa alam exactly kung ano status niya, kung how serious the injury is, but he's already been having issues with his knees, even before. Kaya ngayon yung focus namin to strengthen his lower body. So nangyari pa to ngayon. So we'll see. We have to make an assessment of his injury, his health, and then mahirap kasi na pinamanage namin minutes ni Bo, tapos si Keith nagka-problema ngayon, tapos si Kaylan na-injured din. Baka puro gwardiya na lang ilaro namin, pagka ganun. So, we'll just have to find ways, but it's a good thing. Ngayon nangyari, we're going to have time to figure something out in the next few weeks siguro.
Actually, for the second straight game, we had isa ka dun sa panalo nyo this time sa fourth quarter with some big shots to help play the same good away and eventually got the picture.
Yes.
Thoughts mo dun na?
Yun nga, siguro just thankful lang din na binibigyan ako ni Coach Yeng ng opportunity to be there during crunch time. And yeah, just trying to make the right place.
Yung bang ginawa mo against Titan yung 4 free throws mo, coming to this game, dala-dala mo yung confidence, yung momentum from that heroic sila?
Yeah, of course, anytime you hit big free throws like that, syempre you wanna ride yung momentum and yung confidence na dala nung result na yun. So yeah, definitely.
Coach, ano lang yung mga timeline din sa players na nasa release?
Actually, gusto na namin gamitin Si Kaylan medyo okay na. We have a game on Friday. I think Saturday. I think he's going to be a game day decision. Si Kaylan, we'll see him in practice tomorrow kung ano yung sitwasyon niya. Si Stanley naman, he's okay, but he's still feeling some pain. So I don't want to use him with that pain there. So kailangan lang na magpasensya pa ng konti, maghintay pa kami ng konti. Kasi ang pinaghahandaan talaga namin, yung last 3 or 4 games namin, medyo yun ang mabibigat na kalaban namin. And then we have a 2 or 3 week gap in between games. So that's really the time we'll try to make use of that to get everybody healthy.
Luis pa rin.
Si Luis 2030 siguro ready na siya.
Coach, on top kayo sa standings, solid at this point, pero we have the next 6 games are against teams na nandun din, nasa either top 1 of the same or nasa gitna. So, bigat yung schedule nyo.
Yes, mabigat. No, kaya nga sabi ko, that 2 or 3 week gap in between our games is going to be big for us because we're going to try get everybody on a reset, get fresh. Yun nga, with Kaylan, I'm confident na the next few days he can be ready. No? Si Stanley kasi yung pain, I don't wanna play him with pain. No? Pero structurally okay naman yung ano niya, yung tuhod niya. Siguro yun lang. Siguro the other good news is yung si Christian Manayta is already practicing with us, no? From the other league na maaga silang na-eliminate. So he's already practicing with us. But I don't think he's going to be ready because he still needs to blend in and know the system and just be able to understand yung situation better. No? So, yun din. We'll try out to also make an assessment of how we can make a contribution in the next few weeks.
All right.